Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video, and today we are unboxing 5 different pairs of sneakers, my latest pickups. So of course, if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We're doing all kinds of really cool reviews over here on the channel and just general sneaker content. So if you like the sound of that, go ahead, it is right there and it does help out the channel a lot. Now, without further ado, let's get into some of these sneakers. So, geez, I forgot to take the shipping labels off of all of them. So I actually know what this sneaker is because I know I got it for a steal of a price, and I think this is something, if there are still sizes available, you need to jump on it. So this one came in a while ago. However, I didn't unbox it because I thought I would save it for a video. First time I've ever used this website. I've never heard of them before getting this. However, they had a really good deal on, so I had to get these. So like, the tissue that comes in like premium designer stuff. And here is, wow, that packaging is A1. This company. So, as you can see, look at that. They've cushioned it all around to fit the box exactly. So the company is called Mr. Porter. I don't know whether it is just a European or UK brand. Pretty sure they do worldwide shipping, but they have a lot of, like hyped sneakers and stuff like that. It's all about the unboxing experience. So anyway, obviously an Adidas sneaker. Now this is a collaboration, and here they are. So this is the Neighborhood and Adidas collaboration on the Ultra Boost 19. This retails over here in the UK for about £170. I got them for £51. That is ridiculous. That's a huge discount. And obviously when you see a price like that, you're not just gonna skip out. Of course, you're gonna pick up a pair. I would recommend you guys to get a pair of Ultra Boost 19s. They're not the most flashy. Of course, they don't look as good as obviously like the 1.0s or any of the OG Ultra Boosts, but it's still a comfortable sneaker, potentially even more comfortable than the originals. And when you can get them for a price like that, it's insane. So specifically this collaboration, there was this colorway and one more other colorway. They're going for dirt cheap right now. Of course, like, I don't know, what is that, 70, 80% off? It's insane. And this is a really nice colorway. So I don't know why it's not selling, but there's plenty of sizes, not necessarily on Mr. Porter, but End Clothing, I know Adidas, I think they have them on sale, and it's really worth paying when you're getting it like 50 and upwards % off of the retail price as a daily sneaker or a sneaker that you're going to train in the gym. So I believe this collaboration released earlier this year. I mean, my kind of biggest thing is I want a collaboration that actually changes the design of the sneaker, or where you can really see that they've put some thought into it. Obviously, you can see with the Ultra Boost 19, they just put their logo on it, so it's not that exciting. But the Ultra Boost 19 model is something that speaks for itself. It doesn't need too much to be able to be an incredible sneaker. What do we got here? We have, I know what this is as well. You go from that unboxing experience to this, where they've literally just chucked it in a bag. There you go. Blacked out box with the gold Jumpman logo. Obviously, this is a Jordan. So this is a Jordan 1 Low. This is going to have a worldwide release in the next, I think, week or two. So Size managed to get this pair early. And I think it is extremely clean. And when I first saw it, it released alongside another colorway, but this was definitely the one I wanted to go for. Wow, so you see you get some paper here, 23. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but it's got the gold 23s. This is clean. Here we go. The Jordan 1 Low. What is this called? I forgot. They actually look a lot better than I expected. So here we go. This is the Jordan 1 Low. And this colorway is really nice. To be honest, I mean, I see this colorway doing really well when it actually releases and selling out. Yeah, this has got to be, you know what, if I made a list of budget sneakers, this has got to be up there as a great budget sneaker. So a Jordan 1 Low, this is as kind of, you know, this is like my perfect colorway. This you can get so much wear out of. Got some nice leather on the toe box, which is perforated. The mud guard comes in this really nice nappy suede feeling material. The rest of the sneaker comes in like this kind of canvas material. And then you've got, you know, kind of white and cream or sail tones all over it. That is a really nice shoe. And then you've got a blacked out bottom to go along with the Nike swoosh. And then you've got embroidered Air Jordan Wings logo on the back. You know, it's almost like, it's like if you can't get a dunk, because dunks are crazy hyped right now, you know, you can't go too wrong. They're pretty similar in the way that they look, especially if you get, you know, a nice colorway. I mean, Jesus, I wouldn't pay the extra, you know, fork out the extra 300. I would just pick up a pair of these at retail. But again, you know, it's just all about what your preference is. For me personally, they're not that much different. I'm fine with a Jordan 1 Low. Next one, what are we gonna go with? This is probably gonna be like my next review. This one I'm excited to see because they're crazy. I tell you what. I told you guys I was gonna buy this, and I did. So obviously we've got the ISPA box, as you can see. Now, what sneaker released recently? People who've been watching the channel, you know what this is. Overreact sandal. Oh geez, this is a lot more open. You've got a lot of really interesting details. Yeah, you do have an entire open section at the top, which I actually didn't see from the pictures. You've got some elasticated material. So what I like about this is that, you know, it's not like a regular sandal where it's completely open at the front. You know, it closes off the toe box, so you don't have your toes hanging out. It's got a lot of overlays. I mean, it almost just looks like an incredibly breathable sneaker. And if you haven't tried out the Overreact, I did a review on the Overreact original colorway. I actually got both of them that just released. Those two colorways, or that sneaker in general, I'm a big fan of. I love this sneaker. It's so comfortable. Obviously, it looks insane. But yeah, this is literally one of the most comfortable sneakers. So I wanted to see if this one is any more comfortable than, you know, the ones that I've tried. But yeah, that's my my third sneaker that I've got. So I'll chuck that over there. Nice, I'm happy with that. It actually looked better than I thought, especially this blacked out colorway. There was also a wheat colorway, which is a brown one, which kind of, you know, looks more like a sandal than this one. You know what, I'm gonna unbox this because I've actually unboxed it already and I've done a review on it. This one I've already unboxed because I wanted to get the review out because I've been waiting so long for it. But yeah, I mean, you've all seen it. This is the Yeezy Quantum Barium. We know it, we love it. The Yeezy Quantum Barium. Super, super nice sneaker. I might leave one in here because I'll chuck it up on my wall. But yeah, so these literally came in yesterday, and that's why I wanted to include them in this unboxing, because they are kind of, you know, my latest pickup. So huge fan of these. You know, all of my thoughts and opinions on these are up in the review. Of course, I mean, I'll have any reviews relevant in the description below if you want to check that out. So where are we at? We got one left. Oh, this one I think is going to be my next review. I'm excited to see this one. Again, another early pair, another Nike sneaker. The Jordan box, look at that red Jumpman logo, whipping them open. So yeah, this is an early pair. So first looks over here, I got exclusive access. Whoa, jeez. The Kai 54. Actually, I don't know how to say it. Oh wow, so you get extra laces. Wow, this is way better than I thought. Look at these, the material on it. So the leather quality, I gotta say, is A1. That actually took me by surprise. I didn't know it was gonna be this good. But yeah, this is the latest colorway of the, geez, what do you call them? The Kai 54, the Kwai 54. But either way, yeah, of course, the colorway that's inspired by the Paris basketball tournament, which of course I'm gonna have a review up on these, but these are way nicer than I thought. You get extra laces. You've got an orange pair and a purple pair, and they have a waxy treatment to them along with this black pair that you get on. I can see probably, I mean, you could chuck the orange on to make it, you know, a little bit more spicy, but I would probably stick with the black. So of course the OG or the original colorway released a while back, not too long ago. I think it was still, you know, July. I think maybe the beginning of July. But of course this kind of print was in this kind of tan color, and now this is in that purple color, which I think looks better, I gotta be honest. But of course you get the Nike Air logo and the Kai branding on the back. I'm just gonna call it Kai. It's Q-U-A-I, I think, so I'm gonna call it Kai. It could be Kawhi, but so these don't release until this weekend on the 8th of July. So of course I'll have my review up really soon on these, because I can't wait to do that. I can't wait to try these on as well. They look so good in hand. I'll give you another look. We've got some steals, some bargains. We've got some early pairs, which would be the 2 Jordans, and we've got some crazy pairs, and of course my Yeezy Quantum in the barium colorway. But yeah, thank you for coming through and hanging out with me and unboxing some sneakers. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I will catch you in the next video. But until then, let's go with these.